Hi, it's Miss Yule. In this problem, we'll use the Pythagorean theorem to find the missing hypotenuse of this triangle. So the Pythagorean theorem says that a squared plus b squared, where a and b are the legs of the right triangle, equals c squared, or the hypotenuse of the triangle squared. So in this example, the legs, or a, is 5, the other leg, b, is 12, and we don't know what the hypotenuse is. That's what we're going to find out. So let's start with our Pythagorean theorem equation. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. And now let's substitute our numbers in. So a is 5, b is 12, and we don't know what c is yet, so we'll just rewrite it. Now let's start to simplify. 5 squared means 5 times 5, and 5 times 5 is 25. Plus 12 squared, which means 12 times 12, is 144, equals c squared. And now we'll keep on simplifying. 25 plus 144 is 169, which equals c squared. And now we have to simplify both sides of the equal sign using a square root. So the opposite of c squared, or the squared, is taking the square root. So we'll take the square root of both sides. The square root of 169, or what number times itself equals 169, is 13. And the square root and the squared cancel each other out. They're opposites. So I'm left with c. So 13 is c. So the length of this hypotenuse, c, is 13. Yay!